Hello again, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida with a dry black canvas that's 12 by 16 inches. I'm a Colourarte affiliate and most of the colors I'll be using will be Colourarte colors. You can find a promo code in the description under the video. This is Decoart Americana Silver Metallic. I'm not sure what's going to come of this. I have this idea in my head and I don't know if it's going to work or not, so the way to find that out for me is to go ahead and experiment. Moving on to Periwinkle. Which is a Vivid Intense. I want some Dancing Fuchsia. It could be brain cramp. Jasmine, if I wanted it to be. This is a purely pigment actually. And that was my head in the way, sorry. Same result. This is Pink Carnation. And I think some turquoise is coming right up. I've got Frozen, which is a Prizm pour. And this is a fun part, honestly. I think it's time to make some more of this. I'm definitely running out. Probably not a bad thing to use up the old batch. Looks like a cardiogram. I've got new Purely Pigments, Vibrant Aqua, which I expect to star in this show. Hopefully my head is not in the way this time. I have not completely made up my mind whether I'm going to add more jasmine. I've got some WaterLily. Maybe that's next. Now, the whole fun of this is going to, hopefully, if I'm right, is going to be using some colored cell activators. I just don't know if I'm over the jasmine or not. I kind of think I want some. When don't I? I always want jasmine. I don't have much silver in there. Now I thought if I do swipes with my small rubber silicone tool like over here, then I can, maybe small is the key to this. Maybe it's exactly what I need, small. But by the same token, I want to put down some black. I'm going to start in the middle. And I want to use green cell activator, as weird as that sounds. And I don't know how to get it on there. I think I'm going to have to use a scrape dish. And we'll see how far it goes. pretty sure my black should be wavy as opposed to straight. And I'm going to scrape this off right now and wipe it down. I love the green. The green is just exactly what I wanted. I forgot the black. Okay, you can see the difference. And do I want to wipe that off? No. And I'll wipe that off. I'm going to continue to use green. I'm thinking I might want some orange too. I've got Atelier Red Orange. And I love the way this looks in here. I have to try it at least once. I have to remember the black. I can't forget the black. It's a little iffy deciding on the trajectory in advance. I actually like the orange best when it's mixed with a little bit of gold. The world's most colorful trees. Alright, I like that. I'm going to keep cleaning off my tool as I go, which comes out pretty nice and clean, honestly. Let's do one over there. I might want some more green. Definitely thinking about more gold. More as in there hasn't been any yet. Let's try a little bit. Ooh, sunk right in. Don't know how that's going to work. That might be kind of a cool effect, dragging the silicone brush through the paint. I think so. I think that's a discovery. They're a whole new kind of flower. I'm going to not get too frisky before I know what I'm doing though. By the same token, I want to pick some paint up and move it so that I get that contrast of the black showing through right now before it gets tacky, because once it gets tacky it won't be moving. It'll just be leaving a trace element that may or may not be attractive. Alright, so I put gold in there and I saw it sink, but I'm liking how it looks now, so I'm going to do it again. Come on out. Need that little extra bit of fluid. Probably going to go in there with some more green in a minute. Definitely needed to do that because I didn't get enough of a trace of colors. But I'm having, they look like jellyfish at a party. Jellyfish party! Cool! Very cool. Let's do more green. I could do a green with turquoise cell activator next time. I think that might be kind of cool. Don't forget the black. or else. I can always use my residuals where there's missing paint. This is a particular style I do once in a while. I think I want to come right down on this side. Leading the little black trails up definitely looks like the trailers of jellyfish. I want to just try the green in there once. That's probably an overabundance. But that might also get us all the way to the bottom. Looks like I might have avoided getting the cells I wanted by using too much cell activator, but we'll find out in a minute. The colors are magnificent. And I want more orange, but I like the green. The orange just kicks the dancing fuchsia and the jasmine up a big, beautiful notch. I got to remember the black. Every time. The green is awesome. I will try and figure out what the recipe was. I know there's some Atelier Phthalo blue, or Phthalo turquoise rather. Jellyfish or trees? I love using my residual paints. I don't always promise that I'm, thoughtful enough to really know what I'm doing. I'm just taking a chance because I like taking chances. I like the green, but I also like, you know what, I haven't used any of the dancing fuchsia and I want to try it. I could try it with the orange too. That's the Purely Pigments. I'm determined to remember. Oh, that's sweet. Yeah, I like those tendrils I'm getting. The more the merrier. Definitely. So how will I finish this? I could use a little more gold. Let's make sure. I've got a little missing black on the canvas, so I'm going to put it over there as well. Okay, I've got the turquoise and I haven't used it. I've got the gold. This is the Atelier Phthalo turquoise. I think you could have stuck with the green all the way through and it wouldn't have been a problem. Alright, I'm not sure about that. Maybe that requires a little bit of adjustment. Maybe in the way of a little bit of green cell activator. Now, is there any cause to blow into these? I think they're pretty beautiful just the way they are. Although, you see me, I'm incapable of not fixing things. How come you sealed up? Come on, you were open a minute ago. gotta remember to use some holly berry next time, but I think this is it, and this is cool. I'm really happy with that. I've done things that look like this before, but not exactly. Different colors. Okay, so these are my jellyfish. Thank you for joining me. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for watching longer. It speaks to the YouTube algorithm. My email address is easpb and the word gallery spelled out @gmail.com if you'd like to inquire about taking a class with me at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, one-on-one, or purchasing an artwork. Linked here, you'll find promo codes for Colourarte products and pixel paint designs, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, a couple of my websites, my Amazon link. Volumes 1 and Volumes 2 of my books are on the Amazon link, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, the first and the second 100 videos I made for YouTube. Questions are welcome and encouraged. My community board will show you tomorrow's video at around 2 p.m. hopefully. I'll do something else. Thank you. Thank you to all my patrons. Thank you to the members. Thank you to those of you who use PayPal to make a donation to keep me painting. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys endlessly, and you inspire me always. My paint pouring recipes below show more, and I have 34 playlists of 100 videos each, and everything's organized by topic and genre. If you need anything, don't forget, ask questions. It's fine. Thank you for being here. Bye for now. Priscilla out.